class. This week we're talking about professional counseling skills. And when I watched the videos and thought about the skills that the counselors were using in the 3 videos that we were assigned, I realized that these counselors did display characteristics that I would expect from a counselor. The reason why I think this is because I've had personal experience in counseling. So I would say that one of the counselors that I saw used a lot of the skills that the counselor in the brainstorming video used, which I thought was interesting. And also, I've had the privilege of taking counseling techniques class with Liberty University as an intensive. So I got kind of a little bit of experience in counseling sessions and what it would be like to be a counselor. As far as the counseling skills that I noticed as I was reading assigned reading this week, some of the important ones are respect, empathy, attentive silence, gentleness, warmth, reflection of feelings, open questions, and paraphrasing. And I did notice these skills as I was listening and watching the video. A lot of the counselors use these skills, which was interesting. As far as the differences and similarities of some of the counseling skills, in the videos 1, 2, and 3, 1 being the brainstorm video, 2 being the dancing versus helping video, and 3 being the homesick video, I felt that all 3 counselors were attentive and respectful. And I thought that the first and third counselor used a lot of reflection of meaning and reflection of feelings. And also they were really good about using encouragers, I thought. I believe that the second and third counselors used a lot of open questions and attentive silence. And I thought that the third counselor in the homesick video was really good at paraphrasing, and I thought she was really warm and gentle and showed a lot of empathy with her client. She seemed to really reassure her client and show that she had an understanding of her client. And I really thought that the client seemed to respond well to her approach. And so as far as any questions or challenges, as I was pondering on the coursework this week and the videos that we saw, it seems to me as though remaining neutral might be something that would be a little bit challenging at times, because I think it would be natural to want to be on the side of your client, but it is important to remember to keep that idea that we need to remain neutral in our sessions. I think too, as counselors and just as people, we all bring our own personal biases into the situation. So when we're counseling clients, it's important to remember to not bring those to the counseling sessions and to remain neutral. And I just wondered what you guys thought about that, and if you thought there were any counseling skills that would be particularly challenging as you're counseling clients. I'm just kind of wondering if any of you have thought about that this week as we were studying our assignments and watching these videos. Thank you very much.